A month ago, I made my first mini pond for this channel using a thermocol box with aquatic plants and local fishes. Today, I am happy that everything is working really well. All the plants have grown so much within a month that the surface of the mini pond was almost covered with the aquatic plants. I could barely see the fishes inside the mini ecosystem, which has now become a home for them. I did observe some changes that happened with time, which is quite satisfying for me. All the rosettes that the water lettuce produced have grown much bigger. The Ludwigia have also spread throughout the pond. The eliocherries rose above the water surface. The water chestnut have grown more leaves. The lucky bamboo cuttings have also started to grow roots. However, the pennywort remain the same. The Salvinia cuculata have reproduced so many young plants that I decided to remove some of the mature plants that have turned quite large in size. But all the Salvinia minima died, so I added some of them to the pond. Some of the leaves of water lettuce have also rot and died, so I decided to remove them to keep the water clean for longer period. I also removed some of the adult plants of the species. Finally, it's time to feed the fishes. The only difference is that this time the fishes have more hiding space, so it is difficult to see them from above the water surface. Stay tuned for more informative videos. Thanks for watching. Till then, be sustainable and be creative.